can't tell my mom to love her?
Give us your other arm.
Here.
Give it now.
Here. I just want to call my mother and say bye. And you know you're feeding me to them.
At a quiet gas station, what started as a welfare check turned volatile in seconds. A man, terrified and erratic, sat behind the wheel, claiming a cartel was after him and begging to call his mother. Officers surrounded the vehicle, unsure if the next move would be surrender or impact. In moments like this, hesitation can be deadly and action irreversible.
Hold on, because you just hit...
call my mom and I want to say bye.
Okay, I need you to step out the vehicle for me real quick. Excuse me. Hey. Hey, put the window, just put the window down. Put the window down.
Open the window. Open the window, or I will open it for you.
Charlie 174.
Open the window, or I'll open it for you.
We're trying to listen to you, but you need to put the window down.
Do me a favor.
Yes.
Get your car and pull it behind him.
Got it.
While a newly arrived officer pulls up behind the suspect, blocking him in, things are about to go off the rails.
I can't hear you.
He wants to call his mommy.
I can't hear you, bud. Hey, do me a favor. Just put it in park for me.
He's hit the thing here.
Can you just put it in park and roll down the window?
¿Qué fue el problema? ¿Usted necesita médico? ¿Qué pasó?
I was coming. He got tied up.
He cut through you with his car or by himself?
Hey, bud. Can you put it in park? What are you reaching for? No, put it in park. Put it in park. Okay, can you put it in park for me? It's in reverse, so don't balk over there.
He cut you off on the left side. Okay, were you hurt? Did he hit your car? You're okay? Okay. Just give me a second.
What are you reaching for? Do not f***ing reach, man. I can't see shit. Stop reaching for things. Stop reaching for shit. Do not reach. Stop reaching for stuff. Dude, stop f***ing reaching.
Hey.
Do not f***ing reach, bro.
Do you have a window punch?
I have a window punch.
Please get it.
Put the window down.
Dude, get the window punch.
Yeah. You want me to smack? Hit it?
Back window. He's reaching for shit. Back window.
Look, I'm gonna break your window if you don't put it in park. I'm gonna break your window if you don't put it in park. What? Stop. Stop. Stop.
Get out of the car.
Stop.
You tried that car one more time, I will shoot.
Watch your back.
Give me that goddamn window punch now.
Get out of the car.
The window punch.
Get back,
Dumbass!
What do you want?
Bust this window out now. Sir, stop now. Stop now.
I didn't do it.
Stop.
You die by the cartel. You
What's traffic?
me. I get to die to my mom.
Open that door.
Good, I'm good. You're gonna let me die?
Get out.
Get him out. You're gonna let me die? Get him out. Can I call my mom? Get out.
Get his arm. Get his one arm.
I'm gonna die anyway. You're feeding me to the fucking wolves. I can't tell my mom to love her.
Give us your other arm.
Here.
Give it now.
Here. I just want to call my mother and say bye. And you know you're feeding me to them.
Stop moving.
Why would you kill me? Why the fuck would you kill me?
Careful with fentanyl, too.
No, I don't do fentanyl. Oh my god, this is so fucked up. And then you're gonna let my mother believe that? That's sick. I can't believe it.
All right, roll him. Stand him up.
I need the phone for 2 seconds. Just
Stand up, bud. Stand up.
Just let me say bye to her.
Just stand up for him, bud.
Let me say bye. Can I say bye? I won't say
So, can't go in my car.
I won't say nothing else. Just let me say bye. Just let me say bye.
Him running into this stuff.
Hold on. Is that his blood or your blood? Yes. All right, well, watch out. I got calls. Can't go in there.
Killing me. Can I call my mom and just say bye? I'm begging before I die. Please, before you drug me and kill me, can I call my mother?
Take a seat. There you go.
Channel 2 is
What do you have other than him ramming the thing? He rammed there. That's all I got for now was the signal 4. And then he was just refusing to get out. He's reaching. I don't know. He was like reaching in here. I don't know if you guys checked already.
Dude, hey, check under the seat. He was reaching like a mother.
Cell phone. That was it. Did he steal anything in there at least?
I haven't. I was dealing with this. I haven't even made contact with inside.
Swear on my life. I just want to tell everyone.
Alright, give us a second.
A second what? For me to die?
No, for us to come.
Dump me off to the cartel that chased me around? Can you please let me call her, man? I only got another minute or 2 left. Bro, just dial it and leave.
Hey, did he pay at all, or what was the issue with him?
The issue is he came to the store and be like, somebody's chasing him. Can you use the phone? And then he opened the drink while I'm trying to give him the phone. I'll be like, if you pay for the drink, and I'll give you the phone to call 911. And he'd be like, oh, I don't want to call 911 anymore. I want to call my mom for the last time and say bye to her, thing like that. Just pay for the drink. And he kept talking and cursing everybody in the store. And then he went behind that counter, and I told him, leave the counter because you cannot be behind it.
Did he like take anything?
No, the only little drink he opened and drank it. And then he grabbed that gun here, he grabbed this here, and stopped. Knock it on the.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want to do about the drink?
The drink? Nothing.
And you're the manager?
Yes, I am.
Please, I love my f***ing mother. Can you imagine you're gonna die and not f***ing tell your mom you love her?
Just a 20. She doesn't want to do anything about it. Oh, there's crack. There's crack in the side handle right here. Sarge. There's crack in the side handle right here. 2 rocks.
So that's got to be what that is then.
No, this is his end pack.
What's that mean?
It's like a little pouch for nicotine, but this is crack.
Yeah, that's correct.
Your redneck ass knows. You know what that is?
As fire arrives on scene to treat the suspect and officers, the suspect gets a burst of energy.
Cartel! They're fighting! Cartel! He's gonna kill now! Stay in.
Stop fighting.
I just want to tell my mom I love her. Why would you do this?
Get your feet in.
And you live like this?
Get your
Sit
feet
back.
in.
And you're okay?
You want me to call your mom, right? Sit back.
You know what I did? I tried stopping them from smuggling women.
Your lights down, man. I'll help you out.
Why won't you let me tell my mother? Are your cameras on?
Yes, they're on.
Let me say.
Sit up. Sit up.
Full of shit.
Put your feet down, bud.
I just want to say,
Put your
Mom,
feet
I
down
love
so we
you,
can sit you
and
up.
let the motherfuckers kill me.
Put your feet down so we can sit you up.
I just want to say bye to my mom.
Listen, you're making this hard.
I just want to say goodbye to my mother before I leave her.
He's obviously not going to listen.
I want to say goodbye to my mother before I get killed by the cartel. That's all I want to f***ing do. And guess what? You have none of your cameras on.
There you go.
You're a piece of shit. All right. Yeah, what?
Everywhere. Hey, how's the AC for you, bud?
Killing me, man. Let me say goodbye, man.
Listen, bud, what was your name? I never got your name. So how can I call your family if I don't even know your name or their numbers?
I'm a bad person. I make $80,000 a year. I'm a good person.
But how am I supposed to call?
Hey, these cops are killing me because I f*** with the cartel and they're drugging me to f***ing kill me. And my name is Chris and the cartel is coming to kill me and these cops f***ing work.
What's the play?
I'm gonna give him ketamine.
So we're gonna stick him while he's in the car, in a controlled environment. Then we're gonna hobble him, put him on the car.
Okay, so we're sticking. Yeah, we're gonna give him ketamine, and then we're gonna pull him out. We're drawing it up right now.
Put me in jail for it.
Bud,
man. I didn't f***ing do anything.
Relax, don't kick.
Because you work for the
Don't
cartel
kick.
and you're all f***ing killing me. You. You're all f***ing killing me. Cartel. My name is Chris and I'm being murdered. I'm being f***ing murdered. I'm being murdered. I swear to God, I am being murdered by the f***ing cartel. You're all f***ing murderers. You're making me overdose and kill me. You gotta make me f***ing 5 times. You're an asshole. How do you sleep at night? Can you tell my mom that you now love her?
Yes, we will tell your mom.
You want to put this on him? They're gonna spit everywhere? Can I at least have a drink of water before I die?
But if you were being cooperative, we can try, but
Dude, you're killing me.
Okay.
You're overdosing me on purpose.
We didn't overdose you on
I've been to the hospital where I got
purpose.
ketamine. It's gonna be choking my blood. Why do you think I ran to Wawa to tell my mom that you guys are killing me? You're overdosing me on ketamine. I don't do ketamine. I drink alcohol. I got chased by the f***ing cartel and they're ready to f***ing chop me up in pieces. Yeah, I said it. And you all motherfuckers work for him. Nobody is ever gonna see me ever again. And I'm gonna lose my kid. They're killing me.
Danielovich.
Yeah, look, the needles in my arm.
When he goes home, we're gonna go out your way.
You don't think it'd be easier to pull him by the shoulders that way?
Oh, all right.
There you go.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Taking him?
Yep.
Bobbles on the ground.
And they're killing me. They overdosed me. I gotta be ketamine and whatever the they gave me. I smoke crack and drink beer. I'm not gonna die from that. They hit me with 10 needles, and I'll show up my report. Tell my mother cartels that cut me the up, and all these assholes work for me. Lay down. Can you tell my mother I love her?
At 18, your mommy can't save you. You can be angry, paranoid, drunk, or spiraling, but if you're sitting behind the wheel of a car, you're in control of something that weighs over a ton. And think about this. When your mind is slipping and your foot's still near the gas, the entire world becomes a potential target. And I've seen people fall apart in that driver's seat. Eyes glazed, words slurred, and caught between rage and panic. Sometimes it's mental illness, sometimes it's drugs, and sometimes it's just someone who's reached the end of the rope. But to an officer, all those versions look the same at first. Unstable and capable of doing something deadly in a second. When cops approach a car like this, they're not just walking into a conversation. They're stepping into a situation where the engine itself is a threat. And every second counts. Breaking glass isn't about aggression, it's about survival. When someone's mentally gone but still gripping the steering wheel, that glass is the only thing between you and getting control of the suspect. Not every breakdown looks violent at first. Sometimes it's quiet. Sometimes it's someone rocking back and forth, muttering to themselves. But in the blink of an eye, that quiet can turn explosive, especially when their mind is gone. And people may see this video and say, why not wait them out? Well, because time isn't neutral. The longer you wait, the more that instability grows. Every cop I know has been there. One side of your brain wants to calm things down, the other screaming to act before someone gets hurt. So, you're balancing compassion. Headlines will say officers failed to act, just as fast as they'll say the officer went too far. There's no perfect move, only the least tragic one. This suspect, Chris, was charged with possession of cocaine, possession of drug paraphernalia, resisting an officer without violence, driving with a suspended license, and felony fleeing or attempting to elude police. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.